ka jingjile jong Drok po ka jala Mizoram ka dikwe ni kimat ka balakta ka imlang salang ande ka jingshim khia jong sarkar mentalala pansaki bagadon ka jingele persya ka bajur ka balala panwanra ya ka jingkala haga jingi olat pat ban yakren bat menteri rangba jong jela ka Mizoram ka badan menta haga jingele ban pendu jaj u Drok lala ban sotho pa kini ka jela ka lashim yaki babon kisinjam yo menteri rangba ka Mizoram Lalduhoma la yo ban yakren ka singi ka bawan ban shimpenta pa ka sengkenthai MHIP lani ka Mizo Women Federation ka bla pelong ye ka jingrakhe dap arpsan snem jong ka hanong ba Shillong ka baw Lalduhoma lalong kum khongsan haga jingi kren bar Lalduhoma ula Pyntip ba ka te ka jela ka dan ka security committee ka bakli hi dama u ya ka ba penia alor Drok ha ka baw la Pyntip ba ka long ka bayarap ban Tehlakam yu niu jingdi ubasnio na lor kata ula ongru ba le se ka jingdon kum kani ka committee kala ban yarap ru ya ka jela Meghalaya.
We have established a security council in which I am the chairman. We coordinate with the army, the Assam Rifles, the BSF, and the police department, excise department, and the NGOs. We all coordinated each other, and we have recovered so many, drugs now, and the volume and trade itself is being reduced.
So, what sort of a council you are saying? Security Council?
Yeah, Security Council. Coordinate Security Committee.
Committee in Mizoram.
Yeah.
What is the main agenda of this committee, sir?
Just to get rid of this illegal trade.
So can you give us highlight how
What is function?
what is the function of it, sir?
Previously they functioned separately without much coordination. Now we are functioning in a coordinated manner.
So this similar can be emulated in Meghalaya. You are.
Everywhere that can be applied.
So this is a coordinating body to address the.
Yeah.
So it will be also busting the syndicate.
Yeah.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya